let's go. I ain't the first with the curse, with the thirst that I wanna be better, not worse, man it hurts. I'm on this earth with my words and I put them all together, insert, cause I wanna have worth. Working hella hard till they put me in the dirt. Gonna go far, man, listen to my words. Gonna be a star, man, life's like a blur. When you're working this hard, yeah, you get what you deserve. Yeah, I ain't taking a backseat, I'm passing anybody else who is rapping. I'm nasty, ain't nobody able to catch me. They gasping, they cannot compare, they can't match me.
SirensCeol, so today on VIPN we are back for another AFL game, baby. I'm excited for this one, even though it's Richmond versus...
It's a dead rubber, isn't it?
It's not for Richmond though. Not for Richmond. They've got something to play for. Well, they don't even know what game we're talking about, and they also don't know who you are.
Two things. We're at the G.
Yeah, that's the first thing. Okay.
Melbourne hosted Richmond.
Yeah, that's two things. No, that's it. All right, so we are here for the Richmond. We are here for the Melbourne Demons versus Richmond Tigers game. Now, these are two Melbourne teams with a lot of history, but unfortunately for the Melbourne Demons, they're currently second last. I guess if they win today, though, James. This is James, by the way. He actually was in a vlog a very long time ago, like 2 years. 2016, was it?
I didn't know what facial hair was.
Yeah.
I still don't.
He was still about 8 foot tall, as you can see, because I'm like 6'3", so look at me and then look at him. So, yeah.
What can I say? It's what I do.
It's what he does. So he's a GWS fan. They had a big win today, but he's no Geelong fan. He's no Geelong fan.
Who did your boys go to?
Oh, we're talking table. Yeah. I'm wearing Richmond stuff. At least leave it out. Leave it out, all right? I'm wearing Richmond son. I'm all over it. They could potentially go to second place with a big enough win, obviously, provided results go their way. Obviously, if West Coast were to lose and the Lions were to lose,
Go to second if they smack Melbourne by about 180 points.
Hey, positivity for the Tigers fans out there, you know? Positivity.
I know a few.
Anyway, in regards to the game today, like we were saying, Melbourne Demons, they are currently in second last. If they win, they're going to literally, obviously, get away from last place, which is the Gold Coast Suns. So typical Gold Coast in last position.
Might as well just
AFL and NRL.
Every
No. In comparison with the Richmond Tigers, they are currently, obviously, in the top 4. If they win, actually, no, they're 5th right now, GWS in the top 4, but if they win today, they go into the top 4, and then based on percentage, they could either be 2nd or 3rd. Geelong lost today, which means West Coast and Brisbane are really chirping on that top of the table, and this season is just really open. It's really open right now, really open all over the place. So it's a very exciting year. Don't know who's going to win it. And obviously today, guys, we're going for Richmond, son. You guys wanted it. I usually go for the home team, which is actually the Melbourne Demons, but you guys really wanted me to go for Richmond tonight. But let's not head in there. Let's go have some fun. Let's go soak up the atmosphere. Let's go live your damn well passion, baby. I'm excited for this. I don't care what position these two teams are on the table. It's going to be an exciting time, and no matter what. But the main thing is, guys, that don't ever forget this. Live your passion. Don't let anybody tell you that you can't do something. If you believe in something, if you love something, as much as I do with sport, what I'm doing, I'm living my passion, and you guys need to do it too. But let's head into the G, baby, the MCG for the first time in 2 years. I'm excited for this, and come on, the Tigers. James, you're a Tigers fan for today, son. Yeah, he is. Yeah, go Tigers, mate. James, what do you reckon about this game? Obviously, the DEES are struggling, but and Richmond are not struggling. But the DEES are struggling, Richmond aren't struggling. What do you reckon about this game?
No, I told you coming in that the closer we get here, it could be a bit closer than what people think. Yeah. But I don't know. It's
pretty damn good, though.
Pretty good also, yeah. Have a point with Richmond. You know, Melbourne is consistent as West Ham.
Yeah, that's a good comparison, really. You know, over the past couple of years, they've been pretty alright. It's just for some reason.
Had a good year. I think that might be more of a blip on the radar than this year.
Yeah.
I think last year just had a lot of things go their way. So.
Yeah, they beat Geelong in the finals, so Geelong went great last year, anyways. Yeah, really well there, son. Woo! That's what I'm talking about, son. That's what I'm talking about, son. Get around here. Surely. Oh my God. No, he hasn't. Oh my God. He was literally right in front of the screen. Shane Bolton, what was that? How did you miss that? España. Whoa! Bingo! And there we go. The Tigers are up to the first goal. Woo, baby. Let's go, Tigers! Oh, that's going to be an easy mark. Oh, he's taken away from it. Oh, brilliant goal. Woo! James, come and play, son. James, come and play.
They're not off on ski season.
Yes.
one-way ticket to Melbourne.
I wouldn't mind going that Muller right now. It'd be cold. Yeah, it'd be nice. It'd be nice to have a bit of a ski sesh. Miss it. He's going to get that. He's going to get that easy. Easy stuff. These are flying.
They're up and about.
They're flying.
I tell you what. The best thing about Melbourne this year is they've always been in games.
Yeah.
Until the last one. And they're like, nah, let's go have some beers, boys. They call it quits. DEES. They'll be up at three-quarter time by 2 goals.
Yep.
Still lose by 8.
Still lose by 8 goals. Or points. Oh, wow, that's a big call. I like it.
So I've got Richmond by 40 plus.
40. Did you actually tip Richmond 40 plus?
Yeah.
Wow.
Third leg of him up to.
Richmond, they're great. They're good, but are they consistent enough to be
absolutely
consistent?
The best team in the top last year until prelim final night.
Yeah, you're not wrong. You're not wrong on that. Come on, that's going out. No, he's got it. He's got it. Oh, he's pushing the back though.
They're a bit more lenient on it this year. So, well, you can literally push someone else.
Yeah, they interrupted you.
The good thing about the pushing the back rule this year is you can literally like push someone into the fence, nearly kill them, but it's playable. That's fine. It's totally fine. Like here, it could happen here.
Push it.
Look,
Charles, here we go. Charles got it. Charles got it. Yeah! Get around the Charles. Get around the Charles. Oh, nice. Come on. Great. Oh, yeah! Nice little goal there, son. Love it, baby. Love it. Yeah, Tigers. Yeah. Quarter time, it is 20-19 to the Richmond Tigers. I'm here with Lockie. He came out and said he's a BK Army fan. Hey, get around him. What do you reckon about the game so far, man? Great game. Who do you reckon's going to win? Tigers? Are you a Tigers fan? Oh, you're a Hawks fan. Did you watch last night's game? Yeah, a bit of a rough one, eh? I was there. Unfortunately, I was going with the Kangaroos in that one, though. Who's your favourite player? What's that, sorry? Oh, the Torpedo. Get around the Torpedo. Do you think Richmond have a chance at winning the premiership this year? Yeah, not Geelong though. Oh, he said not Geelong. Damn it, man. That's what I'm saying. That was a phenomenal play by the Tigers. Get up and play. Get up and play.
Imagine if he got pinned for holding the ball there. It'd be the right spot.
Let's go. Let's go.
I'm not going to cut this for a whole game. Non-stop.
He's going to go the whole game. This is GA, bro. This is just how it is.
You beautiful green up boy.
You can do what you want with it.
No, it's okay. We'll just message the people.
Yeah, you could have just said please. You didn't have to be so rude about it.
Bounce nicely, mate. Bounce nicely, mate. I'm not going to cut this for a whole game.
Oh, get around here. Tell me, you guys are cracking goal now there.
That's why they paid him the big bucks.
That is exactly why they paid the big bucks. It's a bit of a waste of the Suns because obviously they don't have star power around.
Now he's got superstar. Now he can excel. As long as he stays in good shape. He'll be 2-3 times.
They're getting these at 50 quite well. But like, it's just not getting there in the final product. The finished product. Richmond are playing well up until the third one. They're just not getting the ball. Oh, man! Come on. Here we go. Yeah! Finally, that's what I'm talking about, son. That's what I'm talking about. Shit. Finally got that finished product. It's alright. And yeah! Oh, that's right. These are right. No, that was a... No, I like it. Oh, lucky. Very, very lucky there. So it's half-time. Very lucky there for the Tigers. Just, the D's were breaking away just then. The D's were breaking away. We are here at half-time. It's 41-38 to Richmond. It's just started raining, unfortunately. But I'm here with Stuart. He's pressed out of the back. I'm loving it, mate. Go Tigers! Yeah. I've never seen this well.
Go Tigers.
What do you think about the game so far? Obviously, Richmond's up by 3. What do you think?
I wish we were up by 30 points, but we're not. But
I think if Shane Bolton gets a couple of those kicks, it looks a lot more convincing.
You might rue those misses by today, but hopefully it'll be all right.
What do you think's been the main thing of keeping this game so close? Because obviously the DEES aren't great, but the game is really close.
Yeah, no, well, they're certainly putting their 100% in there. Putting in a good effort. Our backline is holding up. Thankfully, we're repelling it, and a couple of missed shots in front of goal, and that's why it's keeping them in the game. So hopefully, this wet weather at half time will sort of get us back in the game.
100%. And going forward, do you reckon Richmond had the chance to actually take you all that?
Yeah. Well, we're peaking at the right time. Last year we peaked a little bit too early and 9 yards. But this after the half-time, the mid-season break,
Enjoy the second half.
sort of hit our straps. We've got the last 5 in a row. We've got this game.
It's a very open year this year, man.
Very
Straight here, mate.
Thank you.
Straight here. Let's go! Come on! Straight back on the board and start the third, baby.
Oh, what a goal!
Indeed, score. I wasn't even watching.
Community Shields tomorrow.
Jordan Lewis.
This will get replayed on 360.
Jordan Lewis. Oh, that sounds very easy. You're making out to me.
It's Tim Cagle.
That was not a Tim Cagle. That's a disgrace. You take that back. That's a disgraceful comparison.
Tim Cagle, Asian.
Point game, but we keep forgetting how close this game is. That is an incredible goal right there. Richmond just scored an absolute screamer off the throw-in. On the volley, basically. On the volley. Harrison beat the DEES. Oh, that's good. Oh, yeah. No. He's missed it. That could actually be in. Yeah! That's in, son! That is a cracker goal. Man, some of the Richmond goals tonight have really been top-notch. Like, it's a relatively close game, 16 minutes now. It's a relatively close game, and some of Richmond's goals tonight have been absolutely phenomenal, son. Yes. Come on! Yeah! Man, it's raining right now. Let's go! Coming down, but it's coming down. Yes. Come on, lads. Shaky little level outside. Very good a time here. It is 75-46 to the Tigers. James, how you feeling about this game?
Mate, it's the 5-goal cup. It is so cold, it's not funny. It has been raining for about the last hour. I need a beer.
Trying to get that condensation, that. Yeah, there you go. Richmond 40 plus, okay.
They need to get
29 points right now.
marvellous.
Marvellous.
They're going to win by 47.
Oh, good mark. That's a good mark by DEES. That's a good mark by DEES. Get out of here. Just thinking about the Ashes. The game's not over. Check the Ashes after. Check it. Leave it there. Oh my god. This is the pettiest umpire.
McInerney again.
This is such a petty umpire, James. Such a petty umpire. You weren't even watching. You watching there. I love that. I reckon it was there. It's a goal, Melbourne. I love that. I reckon it was there. You weren't watching there. You were watching there, you liar. He's a liar. They don't know. They do, because they would have been seeing where you were looking for the game. Yeah, he got you there, son. Oh, come on, get down, get down. Whoa! Yes! Oh. Oh, he's nearly marked it though. He's nearly marked it on the line. Oh, man. Oh! That came out of nowhere, son. My goodness me. Oh, that flag. It's got a lot of water. That flag has got a lot of water. Oh, the spray, son. That was an incredible.
Sounded like something Martin Tyler would say on FIFA.
Well, I like the comparison. Martin Tyler. Yeah, he's going to be 1-4. Yep. Yeah. Bolton got one. Shea Bolton got one. Oh, there's a Siren, son. The Tigers get a good win there. Tigers. love this song, I'll be honest with you.
We never make it to the final sirens go. It's retirement, it's all. Let's go and we blow the way from Tiger. Yellow and black. With Tiger Land.
Tiger Land! Full time here, I'm here with a Jake Richmond fan. 93-60 to Richmond over the DEES. Mate, how you feeling about that one?
Well, I expected it to be a bit scrappy because of the wet weather and but I knew Melbourne will come out hard and play a little bit dirty, so did. But sucked in.
Yeah,
got the win.
You got the win, mate. You did get the win. Obviously, that's a big win considering that you guys are playing for that top 4 and to get as high as possible.
Yeah.
Do you feel like you can jump above West Coast and the Lions? Even Geelong now if they lost today?
It all comes down to tomorrow. I've got a feeling that Carlton might cause an upset and beat West Coast.
Really?
And Bulldogs to beat the Lions.
It's not like that one, but I feel like Carlton are doing a lot better of late. So
And Carlton's improved a lot since they got the near coast. And next week, I'm definitely not taking them easy next week.
Yeah,
so they'll definitely test us out.
Rivalry clash too, that's always a rough one. Obviously going towards the finals, do you think Richmond have a genuine chance this year, or do you feel like it's still in the works?
I think it's still in the works because no one expected us. Like back in 2017, no one expected us to come out ballistic and absolutely belt Geelong here.
Yeah, thanks for that, mate. I'm actually the Geelong fan. Without being biased, who's your favourite? The flag.
I wouldn't mind Brisbane getting it all the way.
That'd be
because it would be nice for them because they've been suffered for a while. Even though they had a free peak, 15 to 16 years ago?
2000 to 1,002, I think it was.
I was in primary school back then, but it was good to see the Lions doing well again this year. I just hope they're not doing the Melbourne last year.
Lads, how you feeling about that one?
Oh, pretty good. Glad we won.
Yeah.
Honestly, not agreeing with the umpires on most of it.
Okay.
But they did their best.
Yeah, Tigers, still won.
Congratulations to Tom Lynch for his 150th game.
Yeah, look, he did actually pretty well. He scored a couple of goals, you know, Tommy Lynch. Well, how do you feel about Tommy Lynch? Is he working out for the Tigers?
Yeah.
Yeah, nice.
I reckon we'll make it to the grand final and just miss out.
To who? To who?
Oh, maybe Collingwood too.
Collingwood, you reckon? Oh, that'd be a massive grand final.
I reckon I'll make Geelong.
Geelong, I like it. Anyway, guys, that's going to be it for today's video. My hands are freezing, but I can still do this. Thumbs up, because if you enjoyed the content, please do give it a big thumbs up. Really appreciate it, and it does go a long way.
I could do the outro for it.
You do the outro, go on, do the outro, go on.
Guys, Blaze going to be back in tomorrow. I won't be, unfortunately, so you won't see my weird facial reaction.
Thank God. Go on.
It's an offensive head.
This isn't an outro, go on.
Make sure you got the little bell on.
Yeah, what else? Don't finish off on that. You know there's something else that comes after that. You got to do the little ding-a-ling-a-ling, mate. What's a ding-a-ling-a-ling, son? Gee.
You ain't the king ding-a-ling, married at first sight, close.
See, everyone tries, you know. Everyone tries to be the BKR. They try to go crazy, son. They try to not give a shit. Guess what? I don't actually give a shit. Everyone's walking past right now, they're like, what's this bloody doing? I'm just like, you know what, I'm spending. So if you're a massive sports fan and you aren't subscribed yet, you aren't a part of the BK Army, what do you damn well do? What do you do?
Making sure you hit the subscribe button.
Subscribe. Yep.
Go over to Facebook.
Yep.
Give us a big thumbs up.
That too.
Likes. We're going to get to 20k by the end of the year.
Mate, he's out of control, yep. I love it. You just call it, yep.
And if you really love this bloke, go on to Patreon. He's going to give one of you guys 2 tickets to any game of your choice.
2 tickets. You got it. 2 tickets to a game of your choice. And while you're there hitting that subscribe button, obviously go down and hit the little ding-a-ling-a-ling notification bell so you get a notification every single time we upload. Yeah, it's cold for me though. It's not actually as cold as Chicago.
It makes it vibrate.
Yeah. Oh my God. And that is the end of this video. I'm leaving right now. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Catch you later. See ya.